Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Ashish Hariharan, and today we are going to see the specification overview, unboxing and first impressions of the, as you can guess, the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Well, without wasting time, let's first go into the unboxing of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Before I go into the unboxing, I would like to tell that I have the Realme Narzo 10. I was actually planning to do the review of Realme Narzo 10 and also its unboxing, but due to various issues, I was not able to do the unboxing. Well, without wasting time, let us go into the unboxing of OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. I had actually bought this OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z as my primary Bluetooth headphone. If we look into the box, here's the image of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, and if we look back, they are the main specifications of OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Anyways, I will do a detailed explanation of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. And now let us go into the unboxing of this. As you see, here's the box. Here now I think so you could get an idea of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. The packaging is actually really innovative and good. Now let us see what else is in the box. We also get a small box in which it has some manuals written, some user guides, etc., and also you have the Red Cable Club manual. And if you see, we also get extra ear tips if the ear tips of the Bluetooth headset doesn't match, and we also get a red cable. And now let us go back to the Bluetooth headset. This is the Bluetooth headset, and the packaging is actually really good. Wow, the Bluetooth headset actually looks really good. I actually bought this black color, but I didn't. There are actually many colors like mint green, blue, and white. But unfortunately, there was very less stock, and only this color was available. And now let me check where this and check. Wow, the fit, and this also has a magnet-like thing, so that if you want to stop playing a video, you can do it. Or if you're going in or if you're traveling in a bike, you can just stick this with the help of the magnet, and you can just drive. And it's also weightless. And let me see about the fit of the earbuds. Sorry, the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Well, the fit is actually really good. I'm using the default ear tips. I haven't changed it, but still it actually really fits into me really well. That's the unboxing of OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. And now let me go into the detailed specifications of OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Specifications of OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. First, let's talk about its build quality. It is made up of plastic, and it also has an IP water resistant rating of IP55. And speaking about its driver size, it has a 9.2 mm driver. You may ask me what is a driver of a Bluetooth headphones or any other headphones. It is basically the component of the headphone which produces the sound. So therefore, bigger the driver size, and better the quality of the sound. And speaking about its connectivity, it has a Bluetooth 5.0, so therefore the connectivity would be fast and the range would also be good. And speaking about the processor or chip used in the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z is Qualcomm Crypto 585, and The battery capacity is 24 hours of continuous playback time, and we also get 30-watt fast charging support, and it also charges via Type C, which is actually really good. It also OnePlus also claims that we get 10 hours of battery life by 10 minutes of 30-watt charging. And we also have some special features here. This low latency mode, which is only exclusive for OnePlus devices, and it also has a quick toggle button. So therefore, you could, if you're connected to two Bluetooth devices, you can switch from one Bluetooth device from one to another with ease. Before I go on to the first impressions of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, some may call me anti-Indian and some may ask me, why are you unnecessarily promoting Chinese products? Well, I'm not here. My job is to not promote any products or any Chinese products. I'm here to deliver information regarding technology to you. It's upon your choice to whether not buy or not buy this headphones. And as I said, my job is to provide all technological information to you. Well, now let's go into the first impressions of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. First, let's start with the build quality. The build quality here is decent enough. It does not has a metal build, but it has a plastic build, which is actually really good. They've actually used really good quality plastic here, so the overall build quality here is quite decent. And now let's speak about the fit of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. The fit is actually really good. I haven't changed the ear tips. I've used the default silicone tips of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z, and they fit perfectly to me. And therefore, as they fit perfectly into me, they actually do passive noise cancellation. There's no digital noise cancellation or something like that. So I almost get 50% of the noise reduced. So therefore, the fit is actually really good. And we can't expect digital noise cancellation in this price segment. And speaking about the connectivity and range, it has support of Bluetooth 5.0, and therefore the connectivity is actually really fast. So it almost took me like 1 or 2 seconds to pair this headset with my smartphone. And speaking about the most important part of the headphones is the sound quality. We could actually divide sound quality in the basis of bass, mids, and highs. Where here the mids and highs are actually really good, and the bass is actually slightly below average. Some may get confused of what is mids, highs, and bass. Well, to be more general, the clarity of the Bluetooth headset is actually really good, but the bass or that like thumping sound, the thumping effect when you get while listening to songs is slightly below average when compared to other headphones. It's not that it is bad, but it's actually not great. It's actually average. And now speaking about the battery, which is the highlight of the headsets, the headset of this headset, the battery is actually phenomenal. OnePlus claims that we could actually get 20 hours of battery life. I had in real day usage, if you are sort of a heavy user, you're going to get almost 1.5 days of battery life, or if you're a light or a moderate user, you'll almost get 2.5 days of battery life, which is absolutely phenomenal. And speaking about the special features of this Bluetooth headset, you actually get 30-watt fast charging. So therefore, if you have a 30-watt fast charger, you could actually get 10 hours of playback time with just 10 minutes of charging. Unfortunately, I don't have the 30-watt fast charger, so therefore I was not able to check the fast charging speed, but I had referred to other tech channels. They said that 10 minutes of 30-watt charging had actually give them 10 hours of playback time. And speaking about the other special feature, you actually get a quick toggle button. As you know, it has support of Bluetooth 5.0. You could actually connect it to two devices, and if you want to switch from one device to another, you actually could use this quick toggle button here. If you double tap the quick toggle button, it will switch very fastly from one device to another device. And the other special feature is low latency mode, which is exclusive to OnePlus phones. If you have a OnePlus phones, the latency, that is the delay between the video and audio while using a Bluetooth headset, is reduced to 110 milliseconds. 110 milliseconds. So therefore, the latency or the delay between the video and the audio is actually really less. Well, overall, OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z is a good all-rounder package for 2000 rupees. They are better sounding headphones for 2000 rupees, but considering the other factors like battery life and many other special features, this is a good Bluetooth headset under 2000 rupees. Well, this is my first impressions of the OnePlus Bullet Wireless Z. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and click all. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.